To customize your Wi-Fi or manage your network settings, you'll need to log in to your Spectrum Router's admin panel. Spectrum's routers generally use default IP addresses like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. First, ensure you're connected to your Spectrum network, either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and type the IP address into the address bar. The default login credentials are usually printed on a sticker on the router itself. Common defaults are username admin and password Spectrum, or a unique code. Remember to change the default password as soon as possible for better security. If you can't find the IP address or credentials, check Spectrum's support site or use the Spectrum app, which offers alternative login methods and remote management. Once logged in, you can access various settings like Wi-Fi passwords, network security options, and parental controls. For enhanced security, enable WPA3 encryption if available, as it's more robust than older standards. Regularly update your router's firmware through the Spectrum app or web interface to patch security vulnerabilities. Always change the default password to a strong, unique one. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if offered for an extra layer of security. Disable remote access to the router's admin panel unless absolutely necessary, as this can be a potential entry point for hackers. Using the Spectrum app for router management is increasingly common and often provides a more user-friendly experience than the traditional web interface.